Synology. This is my first time. I don't understand how to do it, but we will work it out. Display name. I already have Gazelle is one in the network. See? Gazelle is. I already had one, but I'm doing the next one. What? Device name? Leave that one. Okay. Hold on. Enter your device name. Enter administrator account. Password. Allow this to develop web assist. Yep. So in that way, it is the transformation. The formula of 3BF315 by the border of the fifth moon, it may divert itself into the west side. In so, if you were born to do it, you will be the way in for the node of 324, which is the division of the complexity, and the division for the in way is the border of the fifth moon. It is the division. Create the account. Wait, hold on, I'm just doing things. Rework the partition of 5324. Hold on, I gotta fill this in. The reworking of the material will transcript itself into the division because in ABFG1829 it is the contar. But in so I fill that in already. So in so, if you were born to do it, you will be the play in by this kamana. The division to complexity of network 5 is the border of the fifth moon, which may divert itself into the west coast. In so, if you were born to do it, it will be the ally to perform itself into network 3. If the ruler is 382149464342 by the border of the fifth moon, it will be the way in. In so, if you were hellholder for the democracy, it will implement the structure of born. I will not use any of this until later because I'm just setting it up to see if it works. So hopefully the monogram will be the way in. For the ruler of the third world, it will mature its age into the trans fund, because in the design date 104349464241 by the border of the fifth moon, it may divert itself into the east side. In the hemisphere of estrogen, based upon the conclusion, it will perform itself into network 3. If in so, you have the other way of technology, you will win the control of 3P18 to born the console. There you go. RAID 10. So it will create the RAID. Done.